How to find filter selected comment types on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find filter selected comment type settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile, and here you will find these three lines in the top corner, and now click settings and privacy, and then just here you will find privacy, click on it, and then click comments, and here you will find filter selected comment types, and as you see here you will find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.